Well, getting you another breaking update after Chief Minister Hemant Soren attacked Prime Minister over the review meeting. It is Andhra Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy who is now tweeting and responding to Hemant Soren's tweet, where he goes on to say, and I quickly quote from his tweet, "I have great respect for you, but as a brother, I would urge you, no matter whatever our differences are, indulging in such level of politics would only weaken our own nation." So this is the politics that's happening over the phone call, where we know the Prime Minister has been speaking to most state Chief Ministers, especially those that have been badly affected. But the Jharkhand Chief Minister described the Prime Minister's phone call to him on the COVID-19 situation in the country as Prime Minister's Mann Ki Baat instead of business. But he has drawn flack from many of those leaders there and other state Chief Ministers, including the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Jagan Mohan Reddy, who is now requesting and appealing to the Jharkhand Chief Minister to refrain himself from politicizing this issue and not attacking the Prime Minister, because he is leading India's COVID fight back, and this is the time when all the states need to unite and fight this pandemic together. He goes on to say, and I quote once again, "I have great respect for you, but as a brother, I would urge you, no matter whatever our differences are, indulging in such level of politics would only weaken our own nation." This is the reaction and the tweet that is coming in from Andhra Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy. Aneri is with us for a quick update. Aneri, now this is the time actually calls above for everyone to do no politics but to rise to the occasion and unite. And this is the appeal that has been made by the Andhra Chief Minister.
Now, when we speak about the whole situation, well, yesterday Prime Minister Narendra Modi did speak to the four state Chief Minister, and including Jagan Mohan Reddy, the Chief Minister, also spoke to Prime Minister Narendra Modi situation. But now, when we about this whole politics which is going on in the state of Andhra Pradesh between Jagan Mohan Reddy and Hemant Soren, where Jagan Mohan Reddy has clearly given out a statement that, "Dear Hemant Soren, I have great respect for you, but as a brother, I would like to urge you, no matter whatever difference are, including in such levels of politics, would only weaken our nation." And so, there's one more tweet, one more message which is being put up by Jagan Mohan Reddy, which says, in this war against COVID, these are the times, not pointing out fingers, but come together and strengthen the hands of our Prime Minister to effectively combat the pandemic. Well, now, as we have been seeing number of COVID cases rising day by day, we see this coming out between Hemant Soren and Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister, while Jagan Mohan Reddy, well, Jagan Mohan Reddy has now given a reply to Hemant Soren, stating that we have to be together in the times of this pandemic and not do politics over such things. Well, now we have to see how this goes further in regard with when we see the COVID situation turning out to be worse day by day, as Andhra Pradesh has been reporting over 20,000 cases every day.
So state cooperation and cooperation from the chief ministers to the central government is something that should be more on the focal point rather than politicizing, whether it comes to vaccines or even when it comes to the COVID-19 situation. Thanks very much, Aneri, for joining us.